Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: engine injectors. If you've ever wondered how fuel is delivered into the engine's combustion chamber, you're in the right place. We'll explore what engine injectors are, their function, when, and how to change them, the consequences of neglecting maintenance, and some popular brands and versions. We'll cover everything you need to know, from what it is to why it's important and how to change it. Well, let's find out. What is an engine injector? An engine injector is a crucial component of a fuel injection system in an internal combustion engine. Its primary function is to deliver fuel into the engine's combustion chamber in a precise and controlled manner. This ensures optimal fuel-air mixture for efficient combustion. So, what do they look like? Engine injectors are typically small, cylindrical devices made of metal or plastic. They have multiple openings called nozzles through which fuel is sprayed into the combustion chamber. The design and appearance may vary depending on the engine type and injector brand. So, how does it work? Well, let me break it down for you. When the engine is running, fuel is pressurized and pumped into the engine injector. The injector, controlled by the engine's computer or ECU, opens and closes rapidly. Each time it opens, fuel is sprayed into the combustion chamber, creating a mist of fuel droplets. This mist mixes with incoming air, ensuring proper combustion. Function of an engine injector. Engine injectors are designed to be precise and consistent. The function of an engine injector is to atomize and deliver fuel under high pressure into the engine's combustion chamber. It must precisely regulate the fuel flow to match the engine's operating conditions, such as speed and load. This ensures efficient combustion, power output, and reduced emissions. Now, you might be wondering when it's time to change an engine injector. Engine injectors, like any mechanical component, have a limited lifespan. Over time, injectors can become clogged or worn out, affecting their performance, including poor fuel atomization and uneven fuel distribution. Signs that your injectors might need attention include rough idling, reduced fuel efficiency, misfires, or increased emissions. It's important to have them checked by a professional mechanic if you experience any of these symptoms. Now we will understand the process of changing an engine injector. If you've been experiencing issues with your injector or it's time for a replacement, this step-by-step guide is for you. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary tools: a socket wrench set, pliers, a fuel line disconnect tool, a clean rag or shop towel, and a replacement engine injector that matches your engine specifications. Step 1. Identify the faulty injector. Start by identifying the injector that needs to be replaced. If you're uncertain, consult a professional mechanic or perform diagnostic tests to pinpoint the faulty injector. Step 2. Depressurize the fuel system. To ensure safety, it's crucial to depressurize the fuel system. Locate the fuel pump fuse or relay in your vehicle's fuse box and remove it. Then, start the engine and let it run until it stalls. This relieves the fuel pressure in the system. Step 3. Disconnect the electrical connections. Using pliers or your fingers, carefully disconnect the electrical connectors attached to the injector. Be gentle to avoid damaging the connectors or wires. Step 4. Remove the old injector. Using a socket wrench, remove the mounting bolts securing the injector to the intake manifold. Gently wiggle and pull the injector to detach it from the manifold. Have a clean rag or shop towel ready to catch any fuel drips. Step 5. Disconnect the fuel lines. Using a fuel line disconnect tool, detach the fuel lines from the injector. Follow the specific instructions for your vehicle's fuel line connectors as they may vary. Step 6. Install the new injector. Carefully insert the new engine injector into the intake manifold. Ensure a proper fit and alignment. Secure it with the mounting bolts and tighten them using a socket wrench. Refer to the manufacturer's specifications for torque values. Step 7. Connect the fuel lines. Attach the fuel lines to the new injector by firmly pushing them into place. Ensure a secure connection and listen for an audible click or feel a slight resistance to confirm the connection is properly engaged. Step 8. Reconnect the electrical connections. Attach the electrical connectors to the new injector. Ensure they are securely connected and double-check that all connections are tight and properly seated. Step 9. Test and verify. Now that the new injector is installed, it's time to test its functionality. Reinstall the fuel pump fuse or relay. Start the engine and listen for any abnormal sounds or fuel leaks. Observe the engine's performance to ensure the injector is working properly. And there you have it. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can successfully change an engine injector. Now, before we move to the next section, if you are getting value, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to never miss our informative car maintenance videos. So, what happens if you neglect changing a faulty injector? Neglecting to change a faulty engine injector can have serious consequences. It can lead to decreased engine performance, increased fuel consumption, rough running, engine misfires, and even engine damage in severe cases. Regular maintenance and timely replacement are essential to avoid these issues. If you've ever wondered about the options available when it comes to engine injectors, you're in for a treat. There are several engine injector brands available in the market, each with their own versions and specifications. Let's take a closer look at some of the most popular ones. Some well-known brands include Bosch, Delphi, Denso, and Siemens. It's important to choose injectors that are compatible with your engine make and model for optimal performance. Number 1. The first brand is Bosch. Bosch is a well-known and respected brand in the automotive industry. They have a wide range of engine injectors known for their reliability, precision, and performance. Bosch injectors are designed to meet stringent quality standards, making them a popular choice among car manufacturers and enthusiasts alike. Moving toward the second brand, that is Delphi. Delphi is another prominent name in the field of engine injectors. Their injectors are renowned for their durability and innovative design. Delphi focuses on delivering fuel injectors that provide optimal performance, fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. Their commitment to quality has earned them a solid reputation in the industry. There's also another brand name as Denso. Denso is a global leader in automotive technology, and their engine injectors are no exception. Denso injectors are known for their precision, efficiency, and compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. With a strong emphasis on research and development, Denso continually strives to improve their injectors' performance and reliability. Siemens is another brand that has made a mark in the engine injector market. Their injectors are recognized for their advanced technology and precise fuel delivery. Siemens injectors undergo rigorous testing and adhere to strict quality standards, ensuring optimum performance and durability. Now, let's talk about the different versions and specifications of engine injectors. Within each brand, you'll find various versions that cater to different engine types and requirements. These versions often have unique features and characteristics, such as flow rate, spray pattern, and compatibility with specific fuel systems. It's essential to choose the right version and specifications for your engine to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. While many injectors are versatile and can work across different vehicles, it's best to double-check to avoid any compatibility issues. Additionally, keep in mind that some engines may benefit from aftermarket injectors that offer increased performance or specialized features. Consulting your vehicle's manufacturer guidelines or seeking advice from a trusted mechanic can help you make an informed decision. To summarize, engine injectors play a vital role in the fuel injection system, delivering fuel precisely for efficient combustion. Regular maintenance and timely replacement are essential to ensure optimal engine performance and avoid costly repairs. Remember to consult a professional mechanic for any injector-related problems. Thanks for tuning in today. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to see more car maintenance videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safe and keep your engine running smoothly.